Hi guys. Welcome back. As usual, you can find the links in description box below. Let's into the video. This sliding spice rack will be so convenient for your kitchen countertop. It can avoid making a mess while increasing space to place more items. You slide the spice rack for countertop, then find the jar you need quickly. The spice cabinet organizers have 2 shelves, and each shelf slides without affecting the other. And it can rotate 90 degrees, making you to take medicine bottles conveniently. It's suitable for storing spices, sauce, or jams in the kitchen cupboard, or pill boxes in a medicine cabinet. This cutting board provides the functionality of various kitchen tools. It is equipped with the cutting board, a foldable silicone drainage basket, and 5 replaceable blades, which can be used for chopping and slicing. The partition in the middle of the cutting board can be disassembled from the inside, and the knives are stored internally, and the blades can be replaced according to your needs. The foldable design makes the cutting board easier to carry outdoors, while also saving more indoor space. This slim rolling cart can easily turn narrow gaps in every corner and every inch of space in your home into useful storage space. This narrow cart also comes with a hanging cup and 4 hooks for extra storage. It can be adjusted to 2 or 3 shelves for bathroom, kitchen countertop, and under sink organizers. The bottom of the carts on wheels adopts a mesh hollow design, saying goodbye to the water retained during use. This Veggie Spiralizer is perfect for making quick low-carb, healthy veggie noodles from firm veggies like onions, carrots, zucchinis, cucumbers, cabbages, beetroots, turnips, radishes, sweet potatoes, and more. Start making a healthy meals with this veggie noodle maker. You can make nutritious, mouth-watering curly chips, spaghetti squash, vegetable noodles, and more in minutes for whole family. It's perfect gift for moms, cooks, and healthy conscious friends. This large wooden cheese platter isn't just a sustainable choice, which adds a touch of elegance and sophistication to your gatherings. This cheese board set includes a hidden drawer with cheese knives and charcuterie accessories. The serving knife and utensils allows you to effortlessly enjoy a variety of cheeses and meats. Make your loved ones feel special with this unique and thoughtful present, especially for cheese lovers. This automatic stirrer, with unique and innovative design, will save time when you are cooking. There's no need to spend time manually to stirring your soups, sauces, porridge, gravy, and more. It'll self-rotating, with 3 speed options, which simply place it in a pan, and push the button to turn it on, and the stirrer will automatically rotate by itself. This electric pot is suitable for a variety of cooking methods, and perfectly meets your daily needs. You can cook noodles in minutes with this ramen cooker. Just put the ingredients into the pot, and press the button to start cooking. With this electric cooker, you can cook noodles, spaghetti, fried eggs, and fried steak. With the ceramic glaze non-stick coating, this electric pot prevents food from sticking and makes cleaning easier. This mug warmer is designed to slow down the cooling speed of the hot beverages while you are working, reading, or when writing. The flat-bottomed mug will have better warmth performance. It'll fit for different types of material cups, ceramic, glass, as well as stainless steel cups. This coffee mug warmer will keep the beverages warm all day long, and it will be a great gift for your loved ones. This collapsible magnetic cover is anti-microwave splattering. The top of the silicone cover has multiple steam holes to ventilate the food and make it fresher. There are 6 magnets on the top of the silicone cover, which can be attached to the microwave oven. At the same time, you can rotate the handle on the top of the lid to close, and the water can be added up to the water level, which can keep the food moisturizing during use. It can also be used as an insulation pad to remove food from the microwave without burning your hands. This lemon squeezer is a unique hinged mechanism, presses the fruit in half from the sides, like juicing with your hands. It requiring less force than squashing the fruit flat, like traditional juicers. The built-in pipe collector will not only filters the juice, but also precisely channels it through the funnel into your glass, and the seeds will be separated. The slimline design folds completely flat for space-saving storage. This green onion cutter is designed with a circular 8-piece cutter for durability and sharpness, which will cut green onion evenly and quickly. The pointed design can fix the green onions without shifting, for easy shredding. Gently push the scallion grater to shred the shallots evenly and quickly to make delicious chopped onion garnishes for your dishes. It's suitable for cutting green onions, shallots, peppers, and celery. This round ice cube trays are made of hard plastic, which makes round ice cube easier to release. Simply rinse the circle ice cube mold under water tap and fill water in, close the lid and squeeze out the excess water. And freeze for 4 hours, you'll get 33 pieces of sphere ice balls. Besides water, you can fill it with fruits, ice cream, soda, cocktail, whiskey, vodka, iced coffee, and wine to customize your favorite flavor. This paper towel holder can be used to place towels, paper towel roll, plastic wrap, and anything that can be hung. There are 2 ways of installation is applicable. The adhesive design suits smooth surfaces as tiles, glass, or wood. And, on rough surfaces, this paper towel holder can be installed with screws. You can attach it horizontally or vertically. Tidy up your kitchen supplies, such as plastic wrap, aluminum foil, or mugs, to hangs. This kitchen timer is designed with various cartoon characters. It's cute and beautiful. Rotate clockwise for 55 minutes, then counterclockwise to set the required time. The kitchen timer has a built-in alarm. The bell will ring immediately when the time is up. And, it'll stop after it rings for a few seconds. It greatly improves concept of time management when you're cooking, baking, reading, and much more. This oil spouts is a great accessory, which easy to control the liquid output. And it is widely used in kitchens, restaurants, coffee shops, bars, nightclubs, and cocktail bars. The nozzle adopts a flip-up design, which help prevent splashback, realizes easy oil pouring. The tapered spout design, which can control the flow of liquid, and prevent overflow and excessive pouring. This electric fondue pot comes with a melting base, removable melting bowl, 3-section detachable tray, and 4 skewers. Use this chocolate melting pot to evenly heat up. Once melted, turn it to warm and serve it up, with your favorite dippings such as fruits, pretzels, marshmallows, candies, and more. This is the perfect addition to game night, movie night, date night, or just as a party on its own. Invite your friends and family over, and impress them. This electric crepe maker is with non-stick coated plate surface, which lets you quickly and easily make crepes, soft tortillas, tacos, blintzes, eggs roll, chapati, and many more. Plus, the switch button will indicate when the surface is hot enough to begin cooking. Its intimate long big handle design, for easy holding and saves space, and lets you feel safe when using it. This colander rotates inside the bowl when unlocked. This will keep your food safe from falling into the sink while draining the water. The easy attachment of the colander with the bowl and the locking mechanism makes it easy to use. Rotate the colander upside down and lock it to cover your food from dust when needed. Keep the hot steam away from your face while draining boiling water. Thanks to the convenient handle design. This grain dispenser can accommodate 6 different types of grains, which meet your daily dry food storage and cooking needs. The funnel-shaped design at the bottom allows the grain to come out faster and avoids deposition. With 360 degrees rotating design of this container, it'll save space and makes it easy to find which grain you need. Plus, the transparent containers allow you to see the amount of food remaining at any time for timely replenishment. Its modern minimalist design will make your kitchen look more luxurious. This electric grill comes with a range of cooking options, including grilling, roasting, and even frying. It's perfect for small families, couples, and individuals living alone. Simply plug in the electric grill, set the desired temperature, and prepare low-fat, healthy meals with ease. The grill plate is coated with a non-stick coating, which prevents food from sticking and makes cleaning easier. Whether it's a steak date night, burgers with friends, or a veggie breakfast, this grill will take care of your every craving. That's all for today, guys. Subscribe for more gadgets, and see you on next video.